To our global family online, we bring your way the prophetic blessings from our father, the lead pastor of the Lord Grace Provinces Church, Prophet Joel Atoma, welcoming you to the month of December.
Child of God, hear me. As we're entering December, everything around you begin to shift for good. December, I receive the gift of utterance. As I open my mouth, favor will follow me, help will follow me, grace will follow me, anointing will follow me. Your hand will not be empty, your pocket will not be dry, your phone will not be busy. When your destiny helper will come calling, your phone will not be switched off. When your helper will looking to connect to you, they will not say network busy. You will find your destiny helpers. I say you will find burden bearers. You will find men of influence. You will find destiny connectors. Monday you will be blessed. Tuesday you will be blessed. On Wednesday you shall be discussed for favor. Thursday favor will speak for you. On Friday mercy will speak for you. On Saturday grace will labor for you. Any office you knock will open for you. I take your picture to the dream of your destiny helper. I collect your name. It shall be discussed for favor. It shall be discussed for promotion. It shall be discussed for upliftment. It shall be discussed for change of level. Grace ahead of you. Grace ahead of you. Grace ahead of you. Grace ahead of you. Peace. Shalom.
Join us live, celebrate the love of God upon our lives here in the Lord Grace Provinces Church headquarters, Umuahia. Jesus is Lord.